Namaste children. Today we are going to see Vedic mathematics, a simple and fun way to do maths. Every time you subtract negative from your life, you make room for more positive. Can you guess what topic are you going to learn? Yes, today we are going to learn about subtraction in Vedic mathematics. Here we are going to see how to do subtraction by using Nikhilam method. That is Nikhilam, Navada, Saramam, Dasada. It means all from 9, last from 10. So here we want to know the 9 complement and 10 complement for doing the subtraction. What do you mean by 9 complement and 10 complement? First let us see 9 complement. Here in this 9 complement, when you add two numbers, you must get the number 9. That is 9 complement. For example, if you add 1 and 8, you will get 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. So like that it goes on. So here we can say that 9 complement of 1 is 8. 9 complement of 2 is 7. 9 complement of 3 is 6. 9 complement of 8 is 1. 9 complement of 6 is 3. So these are the 9 complement table. Now when coming to 10 complement, when you add two numbers, you must get the number 10. That is the 10 complement. If I add 1 plus 9, you will get 10. If I add 6 plus 4, you will get 10. If I add 8 plus 2, you will be getting 10. So we can say that 10 complement of 5 is 5. 10 complement of 8 is 2. 10 complement of 4 is 6. 10 complement of 2 is 8. 10 complement of 9 is 1. So here we are going to use this 9 complement and 10 complement in subtraction. Now let us see how to do subtraction by using 9 complement and 10 complement. Children, now let's see how to do these sums. So starting from the right side, the last right side, that is this right side, you have to take the 10 complement. We already know that all from 9, last from 10. So last number should be the 10 complement. 10 complement of 9 is 1 and that 1 should be added to 8. 8 plus 1 it is 9. When coming to the second number, you have to take the 9 complement. Okay, 9 complement of 4 is 5. 5 plus 3, it is 8. And here also 9 complement of 8 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And what about the number here? Here you have to reduce 1 from here. If you reduce, that is if you subtract 1 from 4, you will be getting 3. So this is your answer. So the method is, the last number should you have to take the 10 complement. In between you have to take the 9 complement. And the left side number you have to reduce by 1. That is you have to subtract 1 from this. Now let us try one more sum. Here 10 complement. You have to take 10 complement of 8 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 complement of 9, it is 0. 0 plus 4, it is 4. 9 complement of 8 is 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. And here we have to reduce 1. If you reduce to 1 from 4, you will be getting 3. 3 minus 1, here there is one number. So first you have to reduce 1. If you reduce 1, you will be getting 3. 3 minus 1, it is 2. Got it, children? Now we will move to the next sum. Here I have to take 10 complement. 10 complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And here there is no number for 9 complement. We know that the left side you have to reduce 1. That is you have to subtract 1. If you subtract, you will be getting 6. And that 6 minus 4, you will be getting 2. Okay. Now, here you see, here 10 complement of 8 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. But here when you come here, 9 complement of 2 is 7. 7 plus 7, it is 14. So here there is carryover comes. So what we have to do here? So what I am going to do is, here I am splitting like this. That is where the carryover comes, I am splitting it into 2 parts. Now here you see 10 complement of 8 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. And here left side what we will be doing? We will be reducing 1. When you reduce 1, you will be getting 6. 6 minus 2, it is 4. Now here, as per normal subtraction, we can 6 minus 3, it is 3. Got it, children? Now, the same manner, we will do the 2 more sums. Here, 10 complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 6, it is 7. But when coming to here, 9 complement of 0, it is 9. And 9 plus 7, it is 16. So again carry over. So I am splitting here. Now you have to consider these 2 numbers alone. Now 10 complement of 9 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Here what we have to do? Reduce 1. If you reduce 1, you will get 6. 6 minus 0, 6. And here 8 minus 3, it is 5. The last sum. Children, here you see both the numbers are 0. So here I am splitting it. Now from here I am going to do the complement. So here what complement you will be taking? 10 complement. Because we are considering only these 2 numbers. So here we have to take 10 complement. 10 complement of 4 is 6. And here what we have to do? Reduce 1. So if you reduce 1, it is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. And here 0. So now you have understood how to do Vedic subtraction. Life becomes easier when you delete the negative thoughts. So children, always think positive. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you, children.